Okay, so yesterday we went over the digraphs and blends of ch, and sh. Now today we have different ones. Today we have this is a ph. It's like the f sound. W and or th. All these are a little bit more complex, but that's why we're going over them on the second day. So for the first one is used by combining P and H to make the f sound. Now this sound is exactly like the F. Examples of this digraph can be found in words like phone, like telephone or cell phone, right here, or photo, like here, photo, or phonics, or even in the middle of a word, like nephew. So that is the f sound. Now you might be wondering, well, how do I know if I should use the PH or the F? It really depends on the word. There's no specific rule that says you should use one or the other. It's that some words have PH, some words have F. So the next one is when you combine W and H. This makes the W sound, W. Now it's very similar to the W, but like the PH, we'll just use it in different words. So for example, we will see it in a lot of question words. So, what, oh. You'll see it in a lot of question words, like what, or why, or where, or when. But even in some not question words, like the word wheel, like a circle that spins, like a tire on a car, a wheel. Okay, the last one actually has two sounds, but we just have the two letters that make it. We combine T and H. Okay, so remember when we talked about the ending ED? We said some of them have a voice, and some of them don't have a voice. So this one has a voice and no voice, but we just use the same two letters for it. So the first one is the second one is that same sound, but with your voice. So there's and so, for example, if we use the one with the voice, we'll have words like the cat, or the dog, or the apple, or the school, or them, like I like them, or the word they are nice, they are cool. So that has the voiced the the voice TH. Now, without the voice, we have different words. So, for example, with, or three, like the number 3. It's not three or with, it's with and 3. And then also think. So one has voice, one has no voice. Okay? So just like the other day, we're going to sort these into words. So, for example, you'll have PH, WH, with a voice, and 2, no voice. So you'll have 4 ones, voice, no voice. And you'll have words like with. Where does that go? Well, it's the TH sound, but is it with a voice or no voice? With. No voice, so we'll put with under there. With. How about they? That's the TH, but I can hear it. I can hear it with a voice. So it's the voiced one. They. What about when? Now it is a W, but when we spell it, it has the WH. When. And then how about phone? Of course, you'll say, hey, that sounds like the F, but remember, some words have the PH. So we'll spell that out, phone. So you're going to make all these, there's going to be different words, and you're going to put them underneath the correct heading. That's your assignment.